Welcome back to Bookie and Cookie's Comic Club. And today we'll be doing Angry and Furious. Really, really furious. So starting off with Angry. First you do an upside down smiley. And then a V in the middle of the eyes for the angy eyebrows. Angy. I'm just going to say angy. Yes, I know you're very angry. Angry. Yes, very angry. Now, here's your friend, Mr. Furious, which is exactly the same, except he has steam coming off his head, and also steam coming out of his ears. Boom, big puffs of smoke coming out of your ears. Blah, 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 blah. And here are two little nose nostrils with steam pouring out of them too. Yeah. Yes, you are Mr. Furious. I want to stay away from you. Let's just put a wall between you so you don't end up getting even more angry than you are, okay? That's just for safety. Thank you for watching and come back for our next How to Draw adventure.